Why do birds build nests? I Jomike Tejido. Long ago, in a thick old forest, animals walked very carefully, all because of little Maya, who had a big voice. "Do not crush my eggs," she often yelled, and the animals just tiptoed away. Maya scattered her eggs all around the forest, on the grass, among shrubs, and even along the river. One morning, Deer was running very fast when suddenly Maya got so hungry. "Why did you run and crush my eggs?" "I made a loud hoop which frightened my legs, so I ran and crushed your eggs," said Deer. Maya flew to Owl. "Why did you hoot which frightened Deer's legs? Who ran and crushed my eggs?" she asked. "Snakes bit me like a bird, so I made a loud hoot," said Owl. Maya glided to Snake. "Why did you bite like a brook, making our hoot which frightened Deer's legs? Who ran and crushed my eggs?" she asked. "Snakes dropped on my tiny top, so I bit like a brook," said Snake. Maya had to leave. "Why did you drop?" hitting Snake's tiny top, letting her bite like a bird, making our hoot which frightened Deer's legs. "Who ran and crushed my eggs?" she asked. "It blew hard which made me drop," said Leaf. Maya hollered to Wind. "Why did you blow too hard? It left the top, hitting Snake's top, letting her bite like a bird, making our hoot which frightened Deer's legs. Who ran and crushed my eggs?" she asked. "Father sun burned too hard. I had to blow hard," said Wind. Maya soared to Father Sun's warm, cloudy throne. "Why did you burn too hard? That wind blew hard, making leaves drop, hitting Snake's tiny top, letting her bite like a bird, making our hoot which frightened Deer's legs. Who ran and crushed my eggs?" asked. Answered Father Sun, "You scattered eggs everywhere that animals cannot play." It grew warmer as he spoke. The trees shed off their leaves. Then Maya had a brilliant the next day, Father Sun just shining just right, and animals ran freely in the forest. and Maya cheer gleefully in her neck.